Hello and welcome to another 3D printing video. Today I'm going to be printing the hand cannon from Fortnite. So I'm going to be printing it in my see-through-ish clear PETG plastic, and it should take about 6.5 hours. And it's going to be about this big. It's not going to be life-size or anything. It's going to be a pretty small one, but hopefully it'll look pretty cool. You guys have been enjoying my last two videos. I know I actually have been enjoying them, of Fortnite weapons. And so I decided I'm going to just keep printing them because they're pretty fun to print. And so now I'm going to get this hand cannon started and see how it turns out. So the model finished, and I'm going to pull this off, get all the support material off, and show you guys. Okay, so it finished printing. I got the support material off, and here it is. I broke it a couple of times, but thankfully super glue. Now I'm going to paint it. I've got a paintbrush. I've got silver and gray paint. These are small containers of it. They're the more expensive kind, but I don't have any other gray paint. So I'm going to have to try to figure out a way to use it sparingly or something. But I'm going to paint this with this paint, and it should be good. And I've got my coffee. Through a straw. Let's do this. Okay, so the gun finished. I finished the gun. It didn't finish itself, because that'd be weird. I finished painting it. This is a war-torn hand cannon. It has evidences of use and battle all over it. It's right here. It's finished. I think it looks pretty good for having that used look. And yeah, I say it's pretty awesome. So this is going to do it for today's video. If you enjoyed the hand cannon video, please let me know by leaving a like. And if you enjoy 3D printing videos, please subscribe to my channel because that's awesome. That's what I do. Please leave a comment which weapon I should do next. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you next time. Bang!